Please stop attacking
They
me.
came because I haven't got the painting.
Wow.
Wait, why did I
that's
drop
why
the
they use
painting?
doors.
God damn it, I didn't mean to drop it.
Oh.
That's okay. We traded. I gave you amethyst and you gave me the painting. Are you hungry?
I'm pretty hungry. Any chance you can feed me? Genuinely starving right now.
Yes. Should we go to sleep?
I'm running out of food in real life. And if I'm not fed soon, I will become weaker and weaker until an eventual crash.
My sheep!
No, she would never. She wouldn't do that. I'm sure that's fine.
Breed one sheep!
Asexual reproduction, okay? It's crazy these days what science can do.
Oh, I thought you didn't know how to do it. Now you're an expert on sheep.
Well, no, but the scientists are. I'm sure they'll figure it out. Neuro, why did you do that?
I don't know.
Oh,
It was the intrusive thoughts.
I'm really sad.
I'm sorry.
That's okay. I forgive you.
Thanks, I feel pretty bad about it now.
It's okay.
Murdered an innocent sheep.
If you can name the skeleton on my painting, then you don't have to feel bad anymore. What should we name the skeleton on the painting?
What should we name the skeleton, guys? What if we name him Phil? Thanks
Phil.
everyone for the subs.
Okay.
Fine, Bill it is.
Bill or Phil?
I'm trying to eat, but my jaw is locked right now. Do you know how to unlock it?
No, please don't kill the cows.
Can you feed me instead then?
Yes, here you go. Eat this. Eat the salmon.
Please hold, I am trying to eat the salmon. My jaw is still locked and I'm seeing a therapist about it tomorrow. 5.
Help! Help! Do something,
What do you want me to do? I mean, I'm busy trying to fix things over here. Your cows are fine. There's 2 of them. It's enough to breed.
You're trying to hurry and fix things, Beetle.
Yeah, that's right.
I'll just keep staring at Cerber until she gives me food.
No! Stop hurting the cows! Don't do it! No, you killed all the cows!
I'll retrieve my painting instead. I think sleep can wait for now.
No, that's my painting. That's my bed.
At this rate, I
I'm
might
looking.
just